Hello, and welcome to the journey we travel. So, you've done your research and decided you want to settle down in the beautiful country of the Dominican Republic. You've watched our many videos on the Dominican Republic and feel you know all there is to know about this fabulous country. If not, we suggest that you stay tuned until the end of this video to click on our playlist to watch all the videos we have about the Dominican Republic. You already picture yourself swimming in the beautiful turquoise water and walking on the white sand every day of the week. This is the country where you've decided to lay your hat. But wait a minute, you just realized that in order to enjoy the life you desire, you'll need to have a bank account within this country of the Dominican Republic. But you don't know the steps required to make this happen. So how do you open a bank account in the Dominican Republic? There are many bank options in the Dominican Republic, but you may decide you want an account at this one particular bank. Today, we'll discuss how you can open a bank account at Banco Popular Dominicano in the Dominican Republic. No matter the reason for seeking a bank account in the Dominican Republic, we've got you covered. Our video provides a comprehensive overview that will leave you feeling confident and well prepared for your next steps in this tropical banking paradise. Join us as we list all the 11 documents and things needed to make this happen. This video will make the procedure easy for you, ensuring you walk prepared with all the documents required to get this account opened. So sit back, relax, and join us on this virtual journey to discover the exceptional banking opportunities that await you in the Dominican Republic. If you find this information of value, please feel free to share this video amongst your friends and families. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of the Dominican Republic and much more. I'm sure most of you are aware the Dominican Republic is a developing country. They are developing quickly, making their beautiful country even more appealing to expats and people from all over the world to live abroad. According to the latest report from the International Monetary Fund, the Dominican economy is projected to experience the highest growth in Central America in 2024, reaching an impressive 5.2%. This forecast places the Dominican Republic at the forefront of economic growth in the region, followed by Panama at 4% and Guatemala at 3.5%. With that said, Banco Popular Dominicano switched over to digital banking solutions for their customers a few years ago, in keeping up, or better yet, catching up with the times around the world. Since then, you can do the following by having an account with Banco Popular Dominicano. They offer digital solutions such as their app for online banking. They also implemented the latest generation of smart ATMs throughout the country of the Dominican Republic, which has allowed their customers the ability to make online deposits, withdrawals, and pay their credit cards and loans from their accounts. Something that developed countries have been doing for decades now. So knowing that it's safe to have your money in the banks of the Dominican Republic, you now have reached this point. How exciting is this? You're going to be spending a lot more time in the land of paradise. You are filled with enormous amount of joy and can't wait to start this new journey in your life. Getting settled into your new home in the magnificent Dominican Republic can have its challenges. But we here at The Journey We Travel have put together this video in hopes that it will help you eliminate some of those challenges. So you've decided that having a bank account in this amazing country of the Dominican Republic is something that you must have while staying there. The last thing you want is to fly to the Dominican Republic from your home country, only to find out you don't have all the necessary documentation and stuff needed to open the accounts. To help you with this, ensure that you are well prepared with all the necessary documents. We have a list of 11 things you'll need to open a bank account at the Banco Popular Dominicano. This bank has stricter requirements to open an account in the Dominican Republic. Be prepared for a long wait time to complete the process of opening a bank account. It's recommended that you try to get to the bank as soon as it opens in the morning. Alright, let's get into the 11 things needed to open your first bank account in the Dominican Republic at the Banco Popular Dominicano. Number 1. Bank reference letter from your bank in the country of origin and/or country where you currently reside, work letter. Number 2. Employment reference letter confirming the applicant's income. Number 3. Business management letter from country of origin and/or country where you currently reside. This can be utility bills in your name. Number 4. Written communication explaining the nature of your activities if you are independent. Number 5. A color copy of your passport, including the latest entry and exit stamps to the country. Number 6. Dominican personal reference letter, preferably Client Banco Popular Dominicano. If you don't know anyone in the Dominican Republic who can help you with this, you can also ask your lawyer within the Dominican Republic to write a personal reference letter. Number 7. 2 additional identifications. This can be a social security card and a copy of your driver's license. Number 8. A copy of your last income tax report. Number 9. 3-month bank statements from your country's bank. Number 10. Minimum of 3,000 pesos to open a pesos checking account. Number 11. Minimum of 510 USD to open a US dollar savings account. Please note the following. A. Any letters that you will be submitting to the bank must be translated into Spanish. B. Be sure to bring copies of everything you will be submitting to the bank, no email submissions. C. It would be a good idea to make sure you have your phone charger with you when you go to the bank that day. You will want to ensure that your phone is operational because at the end of the process of opening the bank account, the representative will request that you download the bank app before having finished the process of opening your new bank account with the Banco Popular Dominicano. So there you have it. You now have your bank accounts opened. How exciting is that? If you feel that the requirements to open accounts at the Banco Popular Dominicano are too much for you, then watch our other video on Foreigner Open Dominican Republic Bank Account. Please share this video with anyone else you feel needs to have this information to help them make the move to this breathtaking country that much easier in opening a bank account. Remember that these are currently the requirements for opening a bank account at Banco Popular at the time that this was recorded. Please note that as with anything else, the bank may change or request more things that have not been mentioned here. We suggest that you walk with cash in both USD funds and pesos when opening your account because you don't want to run into any issues with not being able to withdraw funds from your home country using your card while in the bank. This will just delay the process of getting the account open. It would also be a good idea to walk with more than the required amount for deposit into the US dollar savings account and the pesos checking account. just in case they change their requirements as to how much money is needed to put into the accounts at the time of opening them. Check out our playlist of top videos on the Dominican Republic and much more. We hope this was valuable information for you. Until next time, happy and safe travels.